Scallop Scampi with linguine is a delicate, mouth-watering meal that will make you go, ooh la la. Well, that's French, not Italian. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is so yummy you will cry. Just kidding, nobody's crying on my watch. Today we're making a scallop scampi with linguine. Say that 3 times fast. Scallop scampi with linguine, scallop scampi with linguine, scallop scampi with linguine. I really ate that up, didn't I? Enjoy as we travel to the Italian seaside, enveloping scallops in a velvety white wine butter emulsion. If that didn't make your mouth water, you know what will? The finished dish. Roll the tapes. Ooh, 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 finished dish. Ooh, yummy. Well, let's make it. Oh, you think I'm gonna give you the recipe that quickly? No, 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 no. First, I need you to like this video, hit subscribe on the channel, and tap on that little notification bell. Thank you for your cooperation. First step, prepare the linguine. Fill a large pot with water and add your salt. Bring the salted water to a boil and cook the linguine until it is al dente. Drain the water and toss the linguine with butter until it is evenly coated. Next, we prepare the scallop scampi. Season the scallops with salt and pepper. In a medium skillet over medium-high heat, drizzle the olive oil. Sear the scallops in a skillet until golden brown. That alliteration was so good. Sear the scallops in a skillet until golden brown. About 1.5 minutes on the first side and then 15 seconds on the other side. Remove the scallops from the heat and transfer them onto a plate. Return the skillet over medium-high heat and add the butter, the shallots, and the garlic. Cook these until they're lightly toasted. Stir in the red pepper flakes and the white wine and reduce until all the alcohol has gently evaporated. Add the lemon juice, fresh squeeze, the Parmigiano Reggiano, the linguine, and the parsley, and toss all of these until they are well combined and gorgeous and glossy and emulsified. Place your gorgeous scallops over the linguine and serve. That's it. So easy and so delicious. Y'all, if you want the full recipe, please check out the description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes. Chefs on Cozymeal have been kicking some butt to get you some delicious recipes, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you like this video to show us how much you love and support us. My name is Yanni. Thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I love you guys. I'll see you next time.